Fontanella. So Italian immigrants actually are responsible for spaghetti and meatballs, but this guy is responsible for spaghetti ice cream in the 1960s.
I saw this video on Facebook, and I've been begging you for weeks to do this.
The only thing I'm worried about is how soft this ice cream is, but we're gonna try and make it work. And if it doesn't, then that's life. So you gotta put a mound down, otherwise the spaghetti doesn't look like traditional spaghetti with meatballs. It just kind of looks like a mess. And if you guys want to learn how to make strawberry compote, I can show you how to do that too. But this is just gonna, like I said, it's gonna be a quick one. So then you just push this out.
Ooh.
It's still really soft, but it worked. So there's that. And then we need a spoon. We'll put the strawberry compote on there. We'll put a little divot in there. Make it run down the side. There we go.
The original recipe does not call for any sort of meatball, but I like spaghetti and meatballs, so I decided to have our own twist, and that is Ferraro Rocher candies for meatballs.
Awesome. Gonna do one more?
Yeah.
You do all four or did you do three?
I like balls, so we're gonna...
That's what she said. Or he said.
I grabbed the four. Yeah. We're gonna double up on the balls here. There we go.
All right, and then just take the white chocolate.
And you got some Parmesan cheese.
Now, I like a lot of Parmesan cheese on my spaghetti. I don't know about y'all, but there you go.
Spaghetti ice cream. That was fun to make.
Super quick and easy too. Okay, let's give it a taste test. You go first. It's funny, I have to like bend my head down.
Oh.
How did it turn good? Did the combo turn out good?
Yeah,
I'm gonna use a
meatball.
fork because it's
Eating a
spaghetti.
Eating a meatball.
Obviously, it's not gonna be able to twirl
This
it.
is really good.
Well, if you guys make it, let me know how it turns out. But that's it for now. Like I said, super quick and easy and simple. All you need is a potato ricer. I didn't say that before. This is a potato ricer. You can get them on Amazon for like 13, 14 bucks.
The fact that this idea just came from kids not wanting to eat spaghetti. Thank you, kids.
All right, we're gonna eat this, but I'll see you guys on the next one.